So I'm out here shooting a car show and thought I might take the opportunity, since this is the kind of car show where they have yachts on display as one of the vendors for the event. So let's go take a look at a $2.5 million yacht. Under the sunroof in this yacht. This main cabin area is larger than my living room, I have to say. And far, far better appointed, that's for sure.
We try hard. Every boat is individual too, by the way. Every one is what the customer desires. We sit down with our designers and engineer, and we lay out what they want. No two are the same.
Beautiful.
Well, for $3.5 million choices.
Got windows in the bedroom, right on the water level. The shower's nicer than mine at home. Of course it's nicer than mine at home. Definitely an impressive sight, that's for certain. You have your own private sun deck on the front, so you can thoroughly enjoy every bit of this ship. Yacht, whatever you want to call it, I'm sure people probably care. Fairline yacht, built in England. They've been building yachts for 50 years. Wow. Wow. So you might ask yourself, what kind of car show has yachts at the car show? Well, ones that has Lexus, BMW, we got Rolls-Royce, we got Bentley, we got Aston Martin, we got Maserati, we got Alfa Romeo, we've got Ferrari. All dealers here for those cars, not just the cars that are on display. And of course, there are actually people here who would buy such vehicles, because there are people here displaying, well, more expensive cars. I'm here shooting this for my main channel, the Hot Rod Hippie, so I'll throw a little bit of footage from that here. You can check out the full coverage video over there on that channel soon. So that is the kind of show that has $2.5 million yachts as vendors at the show. It's interesting. There's a lot going on here. It's kind of a little bit hectic. I'll go ahead and throw some of the contact information for those yachts down below if you want to actually pick one up. Make sure to mention that you found out from me. Maybe they'll be nice to me about that. The folks over there were really kind. The guy I spoke with, worked with, was really nice. So thank you for that access. Thanks for checking out this video. It's something. It's interesting. I figured I might as well show you folks the other side of things, something I wouldn't normally show on my main Hot Rod Hippie YouTube channel, like with this car show. So there you go. All right, folks, I'm out of here. It's way too busy heck for me. I need to go take a break, eat something. See ya. By the way, just between you and me, in southern Connecticut, right on the water in Greenwich here at the show, and multi-million dollar cars, I stick out like a sore thumb. So drop this video a like for me, because I got stared at a lot for it.